The cash stuffing system, also known as the cash envelope system, is a budgeting strategy that involves using physical envelopes to allocate and manage your spending. Get ready to embrace financial freedom, one envelope at a time. Cash stuffing is great for these 5 groups of people. Hands-on learners. Individuals who prefer the hands-on approach find the physical envelopes and cash a concrete representation of their financial situation. Seeing the money physically diminish can be a powerful motivator. Those struggling with overspending. If you find it challenging to stick to a budget or frequently overspend, the cash envelope system provides a structured approach to improve impulsive buying habits. Someone with cash preference. For those who prefer using cash over electronic transactions, this system aligns with their payment preferences. It offers a tangible way to manage finances without relying on digital tools. Budgeting beginners. The simplicity of the cash envelope system makes it an excellent choice for those new to budgeting. It provides a clear and straightforward method to establish and manage a budget effectively. People with irregular incomes. People with variable or irregular incomes may find this system advantageous. It allows for better control and allocation of funds, ensuring that essential expenses are covered even during tough months. Follow these 5 steps to set up your cash stuffing system. Step 1. Identify spending categories. Begin by categorizing your expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, dining out, transportation, and miscellaneous. Step 2. Set budget limits. Determine a realistic budget for each category based on your financial goals and priorities. Step 3. Allocate cash to envelopes. For each spending category, place the designated amount of cash in a separate envelope. This physical separation helps you see and track your spending. Step 4. Use cash for transactions. When making purchases in a specific category, use only the cash from the corresponding envelope. Once the cash is depleted, refrain from spending more in that category until the next budgeting period. Step 5. Regularly review and adjust. Periodically reassess your budget and make adjustments based on your financial circumstances and goals. This ensures that your cash envelope system remains flexible and effective. Here are the 5 reasons you should start cash stuffing now. Reason 1. Discipline and awareness. The physical act of handling cash makes your spending more tangible. It forces you to confront the reality of your financial decisions, promoting mindfulness and discouraging impulsive purchases. Reason 2. Expense control. By limiting yourself to the cash in each envelope, you inherently control your spending within predefined limits. This helps prevent overspending and encourages better financial discipline. Reason 3. Debt reduction. The cash envelope system is beneficial for those aiming to reduce or eliminate debt. By curbing unnecessary expenses and focusing on essentials, you can allocate more funds towards debt repayment. Reason 4. Savings and goal tracking. It simplifies savings goals. You can create envelopes specifically for savings or financial goals, making it easy to see your progress and stay motivated. Reason 5. Flexibility. The system is adaptable to various income levels and lifestyles. It can be particularly effective for those with irregular incomes, allowing them to manage fluctuating expenses more efficiently. The cash envelope system is a practical and visual approach to budgeting that can empower individuals to take control of their finances. Click on one of these videos to continue your journey towards financial freedom and subscribe. You can also visit the links in the video description below for more resources.